Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of 24 over 5 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 24 over 5 sine t square. Number 5 we cancel. Number 24 we can do about factorization. Sine t square, we have 1 minus sine t square. We simplify the square root, and later that we simplify by ds. ds, we have the square root of number 24 over 5 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 24 over 5 sine t square. Number 5 we cancel, and we got about 24. 24 we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, you got about cosine t. Now we simplify the square root of number 24 cosine t on numerator and denominator. And now I can put about ln number 2 and the square root of number 5 go outside. Oh, sorry. So the integration of dt, you got about t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. We divide both sides by the square root of number 24 over 5. And we got about t equal to all sides of this one. So we need to change this one for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.